catch him. Tarpon there. Big tarpon. Hold him, Linky. Take your time. So they ain't telling you nothing.
What you said you?
Hold him, Linky.
Take your time.
Yeah, hold this.
How cheap?
Give me phone. Go on video him, man. You go on.
Where is that? It's right here.
Too deep. Yeah, know.
Where is the fish?
See the eye? Yeah, the fish gone in bust already, no, man.
Where am I going so far? When they?
See man.
Lando, see me so.
I don't want to get out.
Lando, take him up.
I'm going to send down the line in the water bottom. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, Land, make it. No, make it. No rush him. No rush him. You don't want him to go over there, so you can't sit down there. I want the boy to come and make him piece of the sharpness, yeah. See him there.
That's a shark. A baby shark.
Dave, you're tired,
You're tired. Tired, man.
Flat. Watch him.
When gone?
See bro there, sir.
No, you can't. If you get a ball in there today, they live in their water. I cry.
Nothing. Come like nothing to me if you pump him, Lenky. Pump him, King.
He said for the big red, we're going to force him in, man.
Lando, see? See me now. Lando, see me now, Lando. See me.
So me get distracted too.
Lenky.
Some foolishness supposed to.
No start. I'm Halloween in the bush, you know. No start. Come shine. Come.
Oh God. Yes, so you get away? So go get away? Oh,
Nah,
no.
get away. I think get away also. Don't say that. Alright. Don't talk, then get away.
No, not true. We need him right here. We need company if you go back down.
Oh, God, they miss. Yeah, let me catch me in the head. Try me in the head part.
Anyway, me catch him, me get full. No, you have to know how to do it. Give me a little coffee. Man. Come again. Come and see the land. Me know he not come to me. He not come.
Ready, man. You soon time, man. Left him. Make him most blood clot food. As long as you hook.
See me.
Okay. Yes.
Go lift. You have to lift up on the side. Wait. Alright, one more girl, I need to boat now. Take out the officer hood. Get up now. Get up and come and tell us you have to come over and talk to me. Very careful now, man.
Oh God. Yeah. We better take a picture.
Price of Linky.
You tired of my? Hush.
About 30 pounds?